How to log into KineMaster account. So if you want to log into the KineMaster account, then first make sure to have a stable internet connection, and then you can open up your KineMaster application. Once you've opened, go for the Me, which is on the bottom right, and then you can tap on create an account if you don't have an account, or if you already have an account, you need to go for sign in with email, which is on the bottom right of your screen. Then it will take you to the sign in page where you need to enter your email address on the first, and then you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, go for forgot password, and once you go for forgot password, you can reset or recover your password, and you can simply go back to the login page again, and then you can log into your account. So enter your password. Once you've entered, it will take you to your profile and it will log you into your account. So that's it. That's how you can log into KineMaster application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.